Ahoy and welcome to Laser Gadgets. Today, another laser rifle. The SMG as well, the SMG itself looks kind of futuristic. A lot of people love it. A few LEDs there and there. Push button switch, on switch right under here. The stock decided to put it right there. This mag thing was pretty much a spontaneous decision to make it a bit longer. Customer, it's already sold by the way. Customer loves it. I showed him a quick sketch and yeah, he loves it. And as a tiny addition, on top there, just a little like a brass rail bent to shape to make it look more interesting, like a little sight with a single iron side in the front, just for the looks. And also for the looks, speaking of looks, the scaled, structured grip panel, always a must. The barrel is very like futuristic and open, divided on the side. Lots of heat sinks. I really love the look of these. I got them on quite a few of my projects now. It's tedious to mount them all there, but it's worth it. Customer loves it, and so do I. The paint is metallic blue with a matte finish. Doesn't sparkle anymore. I don't like sparkling paint, so good choice here. Still looks kind of shiny. Not like a common blue. Love it. And just for the disaster, did. Burn. Actually looks funny. It's not gonna stop. Yep. And that's it for today, guys. Not the most thrilling video, but again, I'm just doing these for the customers because customers love to see their stuff on my channel, so this is just another demonstration. Up next, and I think I'm gonna say that like 1,000 times more often, my Nerf Borderlands Atlas. Wait and see.